Welcome back to Britt's Bites. I'm here for another mukbang, and today it is going to be homemade vegetable soup and some Jimmy Dean's breakfast sandwiches, which are only 260 calories. So let me make sure you guys can see me. I feel like I'm not in view, so hold on a minute. Okay. So yeah, so for my breakfast sandwiches, I always put hot. Oh, and by the way, I started recording this video, and I got 4 minutes into it, and a neighbor came to ask to borrow something, so I stopped the video and then accidentally deleted it. So I'm like, that's why there's a bite taken out and everything. But yeah. So I always put salsa and hot sauce on my breakfast sandwiches, and I usually always put lettuce, or not lettuce, cabbage on there too, but I ran out. So, yep, and then I put some of this in my soup, some Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, crushed red pepper, and that's what I all put in my soup. And then to drink, I have a fountain diet Pepsi, or no, Diet Dr. Pepper. So I think this needs some more. I think my sandwiches need some more hot sauce. I love my hot sauce, you guys. Oops. And I always use. I keep looking out the window because I feel like I keep seeing people walk by. They're gonna think I'm talking to myself, but whatever. I always use Frank's Red Hot Original. It's like my favorite ever. Mm. Mm. So good. Put a little bit more Parmesan cheese in here. I gotta try the soup. Mm. It's so good. Basically, what it is so you saute some garlic and onion in a pan. Once that's all sauteed down, start adding in your vegetables. Once you get your vegetables in there, then you add in your broth. So your beef bouillon, not bouillon, but your beef broth, low sodium, no salt add. Well, no salt added is what it called for, but I think I have low sodium. And then you add in your, I think it was 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and then a can of no salt added diced tomatoes. Stir it up. Add in your seasonings, and then you add oh, your bay leaves. You guys, I'm probably adding way too much Parmesan cheese, but I love it. It just gives it like that kind of like a salty flavor. But this soup is they say it's 0 calorie soup. Or on I never did Weight Watchers, but I watched some girls on YouTube that is on Weight Watchers, and they say it's 0 pointage soup. So that if you're on Weight Watchers, you could try this soup for 0 points. Mm. So this whole meal In case you guys want to know, is each of the sandwiches are 260 calories. This for 2 and 1/4 cup is 100. I think it came up to 620 calories. It's a really, really, really filling soup too. It's a good way to get your vegetables in. I made this. My daughter happened to be home that day when I made it. Yeah, I think she had an early out that day, but she devoured the soup. I made her a sandwich to go with it. She didn't touch the sandwich. She just kept eating the soup. She's like, more soup, mom, more soup, mom, more soup, mom. She had like 2 serving. Well, I think it was 3 small helpings of the soup. So she absolutely loved it. So if you guys have kids or whatever, and if they're vegetable eaters, I'm sure they'll love this soup. And it freezes really well. So today is Friday. Oh, today's Friday. What do you guys have planned for the weekend? I love when the cheese melts. Like when I put Parmesan cheese in my spaghetti or soup or whatever. Um, it melts like that, and it's kind of chewy. But yeah. What are your guys' plans for the weekend? My one of my sisters, um, okay, all of my sisters live by me or live in the same town as me, but one of them is moving, and she needs help, like moving. She's not moving out of the town, but she's moving to a different apartment, and she needs help moving. So moving her stuff. So my mom's coming down, and we're all gonna go help her move. And my oh, I guess I do have another sister that lives back, kind of where my mom lives. She's riding up with my mom because she's gonna help too, and she's actually gonna come stay with me for the weekend. So, yep. Keep biting my lip. These sandwiches are so good too. It's a good substitute if you ever are wishing for one of those. What do you call them? From McDonald's. One of those, like the breakfast sandwiches. I don't know. I think they're just called that, or egg McMuffin. I don't know. I think it's called an egg McMuffin. And, this is a good substitute because it's like half the calories and it tastes even better than that because it's not greasy. Like it's like a healthy version. They're so good. More Parmesan cheese. So when I start getting subscribers, I don't have like one right now, but if I ever reach 50, I was gonna do like a giveaway, like a giveaway to like Subway or um Burger King, McDonald's, something like that, and then I was just gonna do like probably $20. I hope I get to that many subscribers. That'd be so awesome. I'd be like jumping for joy. Mm. Oh, I also kind of wanted to start doing cook with me's to show you guys some of the recipes of the things that I eat. Like I could do a cook with me on the veggie or the turkey not the turkey burgers, the shrimp and chicken fajitas. Those were really good. Mm. And if you guys ever, I think I said this before, but if you want to see me eat something, just let me know. I talk like I already have a bunch of subscribers, but I just talk like that because in the hopes that eventually someday I'll have a lot of subscribers. I guess. I don't know. Um, I just started my channel literally. Let me see. I think like, well, yesterday I finally uploaded the videos, but I was making them before that. I just didn't have a way to upload them. Well, I did through my phone, but the video was too long, so it wasn't working. So I had to go to my sister's to use internet over there. But yeah, I think technically since yesterday then. So I just got my channel yesterday, but this is good, and you dip it in the broth. Mmm. Sorry. These are so filling. Mm. My jaw's like cracking. I hate when it does that. Mm. I was telling you guys about I think it was yesterday. I was telling you about how we're getting a dog. Well, I found the cutest dog ever. Mm. He is a mm, Great Pyrenees or Pyrenees. I'm not sure how you say that. The owners or the people that are selling him, um, they want $450 for him, which I thought that was a deal because I thought those dogs are normally worth way more than that. So, with the cheese. Mm. This weekend, or like tomorrow, probably is my cheat day. Well, not really a cheat day, but I'm gonna have a cheat meal. I don't like to do a whole cheat day because then, if I was to allow myself to do a whole cheat day, I would be eating nonstop all day long and just wouldn't work out. So I'm doing a cheat meal, or I do cheat meals. And sorry. I was thinking about doing burger time. The place that I mentioned a few times. So that'll be tomorrow. I'll probably get number one. Which is the bigger burger combo. Um it's just like a deluxe cheeseburger, but it's really big. With like lettuce, onion, tomato, pickle. That's all it is. And then you get a bunch of fries. So it's usually what I order when I go there. This is what I have of the soup left. I'm not going to eat it. Just one thing I did learn to do was stop when I'm full. Because it's never good to, if you're full and you keep going, keep going. So I always just try to stop instead of making myself sick. But yeah, so that'll be tomorrow. And then Sunday, I really wanted to do a mukbang with my girls. I thought that would be fun. We could do like tacos or something. Well, we're either going to do tacos or pizza. Or we might each have our own thing because my daughter, my oldest, her thing is tacos and she's not a big pizza eater. But which is weird, right? Because most kids love pizza, but she likes it but not that much. And then Kasia, my youngest, she loves pizza and she's not too much big on tacos. So we might kind of have like kind of just do our own thing, and then I don't even know what I'll eat, but yeah, so tomorrow will be the burger time mukbang, and then the next day will be mukbang with my girls. So I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang and stay tuned for the next ones. And yeah, we'll see you in my next mukbang. Bye.